Hey guys, it's Little Person Reacts here back with another video with y'all today. And today we're going to be reacting to SML movie, SML short, Jeffy Has Hiccups. So, subscribe to look it in the link description below. Turn on bell notifications, comment down below. I subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and comment and subscribe to my channel, Instagram, on my face right now. And make sure to watch the original video with the link in the description below. So yeah, let's get started in 3, 2, 1.
Hey Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want?
What the heck?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why?
Oh my gosh, he has the hiccups! He has the hiccups, ladies and gentlemen!
Daddy?
Ah! That's annoying. What the heck?
Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Why? Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath.
He can't do it, Mario. He's fine. He just passed out. What the heck? In the video. What? That's funny. I only saw like 5 seconds of this.
Okay, that's how I'm gonna call a doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those because I can't stand there annoying. Okay, Daddy. Alright, what's the emergency? Okay, my son has hiccups. You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups. Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do? Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
Like, I have the volume turned up very loud on my headphones, so I don't have to put them on.
I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me. You're a hiccup specialist?
See my hair?
I went to 5 years
I'm looking
hiccups.
at it, see if it's good. Yeah, it's good. A vlog is coming out today on my regular channel. So,
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. It smells like pepperonis. Yeah.
why does it smell like pepper? I never knew he liked
Usually in a case
pepperoni.
like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of the 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, it didn't work. All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom.
What's going on?
No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things. Boom. This kid's got nerves of steel. Oh, okay. All right.
What the heck?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically boom. All right. That's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom.
I want to get better lighting right now, guys.
All right, Jeffy, come on. Okay. Stage 2 is the balloon. Jeffy, take that balloon and hold it. Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah. But no. Boom.
This better lighting?
Nothing's gonna work.
I think it is.
What? All right. Okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah. All right. On to stage 3.
What the heck?
All right. Stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time. What? Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I get laid off at work today, Sharon.
We have to clean it up.
Cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Heck.
Where's my kid so I can yell at? Don't make me get the mask.
My hair fun, guys. Guys, you do this.
All right, on to stage 4.
What I mean by guys, I mean like guys and girls.
Apple on the head stage. Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
What?
Yeah, isn't that dangerous?
What the frick? Don't you dare. I really
If I
don't.
miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome. Okay. All right, let me go get
My
my
face cam is freezing. Oh well.
Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this. Okay.
Oh, now all of a sudden Mario cares about Jeffy. That's so weird.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, he's ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, I have to do the. Alright, now I'm gonna do the. What is it called? Whoa! Okay, right now I'm gonna do the thumbnail. What the heck? What? Oh no, that's not scary at all. Sorry, Goodman. What the frick is...
What? Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups. But what if he actually dies? Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the
This is
twister.
someone's phone number. Call it.
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
I'm doing a phone number review. 524-6899. There we go. Wow. What the heck? Oh, he didn't die. Oh my god.
What do we do now? Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of. What is that?
What is...
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter.
Is he gonna knock down everything? Oh my god.
Alright, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet? I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it. I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet? No, I don't have my wallet. Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you?
I'm gonna get this lighting out. It's hurting my eyes.
How embarrassing.
Oops. I think that's fair.
That was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now. Yeah, we tried all 7 stages. So
Oh!
curable hiccups. What the curable hiccups? Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Alright. I had to try just one more time. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's...
Tell me if you can see my head.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life. Get out of here, you stupid fly.
What? How's that? Oh my god. At least the like war crossbow. I would be like that. Put my hip. I don't understand what. What? Go away. Cool, I'm making a video. You can get out. Alright. I don't know, but... Oh my gosh, how would you... I don't know, dude. Tell me if you can see my headphones. Now you can. Hey. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out.